In this Permalink review, I'm going to be showing you a software that claims to get you free traffic to any link within 22 seconds. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Permalink, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here. You get resell rights to a bunch of previously launched products here. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus if you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, shocking discovery, permanent traffic from $181 billion network in 22 seconds, permablast any link for permanent free traffic and get us $391 payments every day. No complicated setup, no experience or tech skills needed, no waiting for results. So essentially what this is, it's a software that's going to have a bunch of different tools that will help you with your YouTube marketing. I'm going to show you a demo here of it in just a second. They say they're making $350 with this method, 7,000 with this one. I mean, this I can't verify any of these screenshots for you, by the way. So I don't know how verifiable they are, but maybe they're making this money. This could be their screenshots. Here are some testimonials, but I mean, I can't verify these as well for you. So as I always say, purchase these products based upon what they do and not based upon the crazy income claims that you see, especially when they're not verifiable. Here it says, step 1, purchase. Step 2, enter any link, website funnel. And then step 3, you get paydays. Probably not that easy, right? Let's be a little bit realistic here when it comes to this. So they show you some screenshots here of money coming in, blah, blah, blah. I want to take you down here to the bottom of the page after all this stuff. So if you purchase, what are you going to get? So if you purchase, you get access to the software, the training, case study, 7 ways to make money with it, some extra bonuses here. You can add on to your order. It says, let us warm up your Permalink account for more buyer traffic. So there's an add-on there that's optional. What I wanted to show you is this. When you come to the sales page, if you're going to buy this, move your mouse away and you can get a discount on it. You get $4 off, bring the price down to 13. I make less as an affiliate by showing you this, but I always do this because I want to make sure that you guys know the lowest prices. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show this to you. So what I'm going to do now is show you a demo video. Now the demo video, unfortunately, is one that doesn't have talking in it. I'm sorry, they don't have a demo video with talking in it. I'm going to show that to you really quickly. I'll come back and kind of show you a little bit of a walkthrough, and then I want to show you all the different OTOs. logged into the account, you can see it has like social accounts here that you can add in, a channel manager that you can add in here, a template manager, search engine tools here for searching, auto replies, rank tracking, not purchasing, but creating like link wheels for SEO. So these are all just multiple tools for your YouTube channel that you can use with your YouTube channel. But I didn't see like a thing where you just put in your link and it fires it off into a million places. Like I didn't see any of that. Maybe I'm missing something, but I didn't see that in this. So let's take a look at the OTO. So the first one here, this is again, move your mouse away on this. You're going to get a discount. I'll bring the price down to from 47 to 37. Again, give me a like if you like the fact that I show you the discounts on the OTOs. Not everyone does that. The first one here is unlimited. So this removes all limits on it and gives you unlimited campaigns with this. The next one here, you're going to see you can get $100 off of it. This is going to give you an autopilot feature with this. So it's going to set up like an autopilot thing. This one, move your mouse away, you get a $50 discount. You want to turn traffic from your Permalink into $1,000 commission. So this is going to give you an opportunity to make $1,000 commissions. Next one here, you can get $100 off this one, bring it down to 67. If you want to get extra traffic, so this is a traffic source for you. You can get resale rights with this one, move your mouse away, and you can get the price down to 97 for this one. And then the last one here, it's this Permalink beta tester accidentally discovered a missing piece. So this is an extra missing piece upgrade. So all these different OTOs, completely optional. Pick and choose which ones you want, forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Permalink and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I mean, some of these tools are going to be completely not necessary for you. Just know that a lot of the sales page hype, I really don't know how a lot of it has anything to do with this. I mean, I know that the creator has a YouTube channel, so, but I don't think the software necessarily has anything to do with that. So just be aware, if you purchase this, purchase it based upon like a tool that you want and not based upon the hype you see on the sales page. What do I like about this? I guess if you have any use for any of the tools in it, the low price point would make it worth the purchase for you. I mean, it's very low priced, but if there's anything in there that would be useful to you, then definitely pick this up. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to check out Permalink, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Also, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.